Polygon has just announced a major event coming up next month, and a massive airdrop just gave some users over $800,000 worth of free money. This is your Altcoin Buzz news. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop our latest content. Follow us on Twitter at AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. The number of Bitcoin Ordinal inscriptions passed 100,000 late last night, proving that the project to bring digital assets natively to the Bitcoin blockchain continues to intrigue the crypto space since its launch just last month. The 100K milestone was closely watched and comes less than a day after Ordinals crossed the 75,000 inscription mark, with transaction fees for the digital collections topping 115,000 earlier today. As Ordinals surged towards the six-figure mark, the memory usage per block exceeded the standard 300 megabytes capacity by 86 megabytes, causing the network to purge any transactions less than 1.74 satoshis per byte, according to data from Bitcoin Explorer mempool. Alex Miller, CEO of Hyro, a developer for a layer 2 smart contract platform Stacks, said what the team came up with at Ordinals is genius. It's super core to the Bitcoin ethos, and that they basically took several different things and pieced them together in a way the original creators did not foresee or expect, adding that Ordinals has proved that there is a massive demand to be able to use NFTs on Bitcoin. Unlike Ethereum or Solana NFTs that use smart contracts, Ordinals are inscribed directly onto individual satoshis, the lowest denomination of Bitcoin. Because Ordinals lack smart contract support and programmability, many in the Stacks community see a rise in overall benefit to the Bitcoin sidechain developers. Ordinals is also still in its early stages and lacks several key features for long-term growth, which include a seamless way to inscribe Ordinals without the need to sync the entire Bitcoin blockchain, marketplaces to buy and sell digital artifacts, and wallets that allow collectors to see their Ordinals, something Hyro and other developers are working furiously to launch. Binance CEO CZ hosted a Twitter Space event recently where he said the entire crypto industry will probably start using a euro, yen, or Singapore dollar-based stablecoin in the future. Doing this will reduce the reliance on US-based stablecoins. CZ gave this statement in a February 14th Twitter Space event in answer to a question about the crypto industry using gold as a standard of value instead of the US dollar. CZ agreed that it makes sense to use gold. However, most people's costs are still in fiat currencies, and for this reason, most people calculate their investment returns in dollars, which is why the US dollar-backed stablecoins are still important. CZ said, I think given the current pressure and the current stances taken by regulators on the US dollar-based stablecoins, I think that, as you said, the industry will probably move away to non-US dollar-based stablecoins. As a result of this, we'll probably see more euro-based or other Japanese yen, Singapore dollar-based stablecoins, so it's actually prompted us to look for more options in different places. CZ's statement came just a day after the SEC accused US dollar-based stablecoin Binance USD of being an unregistered security under the US laws. In another Binance news, Binance stated its support of ChatGPT, noting its potential to help improve crypto adoption and education. The OpenAI developed chatbot has become a viral sensation, quickly becoming one of the fastest growing consumer apps in history. Binance stated its belief that ChatGPT will improve crypto adoption and education, specifically through advanced communication functions to better communicate with users. Binance noted ChatGPT's greatest advantage is how easy it is to use and its human-like responses at a rapid rate. Discussing those advantages in the crypto sphere, Binance noted a plethora of potential, stating in crypto adoption, the biggest benefit is how it can be used to answer questions about how to use crypto and the technology behind it. They said ChatGPT has the benefit of being able to help clarify concepts in an interactive and conversational manner. Additionally stating that users can keep asking questions until they feel like they have a full understanding of whatever crypto-related question they're asking it. Cryptocurrency exchange Binance and Huobi have again frozen accounts linked to last June's $100 million Harmony Horizon bridge hack. Around $1.4 million worth of crypto frozen by the trading platforms came from accounts linked to the notorious Lazarus Group operating out of North Korea. The investigation was carried out by a blockchain analytics firm Elliptic, according to a report shared by the firm on February 14th. Elliptic explained it had passed the intelligence to Binance and Huobi, which then acted promptly to freeze the Lazarus Group linked accounts. Since the Harmony exploit, it's been well documented that the Lazarus Group has resorted to using Tornado Cash in an attempt to break the transaction trail back to the original theft. While this supposedly makes it easier to cash out funds at an exchange, Elliptic investigators were able to trace the entirety of the stolen funds sent through the mixer in this case. Recent efforts from Elliptic last week also found the Lazarus Group has laundered about $100 million in Bitcoin through Sinbad, which they claim is a relaunch of the now OFAC-sanctioned privacy mixer Blender. The Lazarus Group is believed to have stolen well over $2 billion in crypto since it shifted its focus to the industry in 2017. Do you guys remember the days when you played games all night with your friends, whether it was Counter-Strike, Call of Duty, or for me, Halo 3, which I was a pro at? Well, we want to create a similar experience for you guys at Altcoin Buzz, so we're going to be putting on a deathmatch game of Citizen Conflict with our Altcoin Buzz team and you guys. Citizen Conflict is a new AAA team-based shooter and will be giving away a cash prize and 5 Citizen Conflict Alpha Game Passes. Our goal is to get a chance to play with you guys, and we'll even be recording the games to make it into a full video on this channel with all the best highlights. If you guys are interested in playing with us, we'll be starting a Telegram group to coordinate playing and getting everyone set up on the game. You can find the link to our Telegram channel in the description below, and we look forward to playing with you guys, and hopefully this can become a recurring thing. Tokens of the NFT marketplace Blur have already amassed over 500 million in trading volume in less than 24 hours since their much hyped airdrop. Blur tokens were airdropped to users of the Blur marketplace, with the airdrop amount depending on the total activity, network volume, and transactions made by each user on the platform. Blur has been gaining traction since its launch in October last year. Rivaling OpenSea, it's currently the largest NFT marketplace by trading volume and has the second highest number of daily active users. Some users even received as many as 128,000 Blur tokens, which at the current rate was about $800,000. Blockchain data shows there are over 33,000 unique wallet holders of Blur as of this morning, with the majority of these initially receiving the airdrop before likely transferring the tokens out of their wallet. The tokens were initially listed at $1 on crypto exchange Coinbase, but fell as low as 48 cents late last night. However, this morning, the tokens then rose to 91 cents. The airdrop caused a very eventful day on Ethereum, sending gas prices towards nearly 1,500 way. Traders on Tuesday were able to sell Blur tokens for $5 a token, and the big remaining question will be whether the platform can continue to sustain its high trading volumes. It'll be interesting to see when the Blur governance goes live and how the holders will elect to give further utility to the token. The price of Fantom is witnessing a roller coaster ride for the past few weeks amid the recent unlocking and distribution of roughly 246 million Fantom tokens. According to prominent crypto analyst Ali, a significant supply hurdle was recently overcome by the cryptocurrency, which has now turned into its support. He further implies that since there are no significant resistance hurdles ahead, an upwards price movement can be expected from Fantom. It became clear from deeper examination on the data that Fantom was trading between two big supply walls. The first served as a support for the initial 783 million Fantom, which 10,000 addresses bought between 25 cents and 38 cents. The second barrier was resistance at the price point between 43 and 49 cents, where about 3,000 addresses purchased 656 million Fantom. However, with the second supply wall being broken and Fantom using as support, a positive breakout for Fantom could be anticipated, with the potential price of 60 cents or perhaps closer to the coveted $1 price mark if the broader market turns severely bullish. Santiment's on-chain data has shown that addresses holding between 10,000 and 10 million Fantom have disposed of or redistributed over 246 million Fantom tokens in the past week. As things stand, the price of Fantom is currently trading at 54 cents, which represents an increase of 17% over the past 24 hours. Ether, the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, has seen a constant decline in exchange supply over the past 6 months post-merge. According to on-chain data from Santiment, the amount of available ETH sitting on exchanges continues to fall. Since the merge, there is 37% less ETH on exchanges. A constant decline in supply on exchanges is considered a bullish sign, as there is less ETH available to trade or sell. A major chunk of the ETH supply is being moved into self-custody, while many traders also prefer staking, with the Shanghai upgrade just around the corner. Apart from a constant decline in ETH supply held on exchanges, ETH's overall market supply has also declined since it turned deflationary, where it currently stands at negative 0.043% per year. The long-awaited scaling upgrade for Ethereum Layer 2 solution provider Polygon has just been announced, with the beta launch of its zero-knowledge Ethereum virtual machine, or zkEVM, mainnet slated for March 27th. Polygon said that after 3.5 months of battle testing, the system will be ready for the mainnet launch next month. It's been touted as seamless scaling for Ethereum and was launched as a testnet in December last year. The team noted that security is the highest priority, and that's the reason why Polygon zkEVM has been run through a gauntlet of tests and audits. The team said the best way to scale Ethereum is to preserve the existing Ethereum ecosystem. Code, tooling, and infrastructure needs to just work, and that's what Polygon zkEVM is aiming to achieve. The scaling tech also enables significant transaction cost savings. Proof costs for a large batch of hundreds of transactions are down to about 6 cents and less than a tenth of a penny for a simple transaction. That's it for your Altcoin Buzz news update. I'm your host, Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.